I'm looking for me a tornado. I'm over here in damn Belmont, Gastonia, North Carolina. I'm looking for me a tornado. Check this area out, boys. Like to see what it looks like, boys. Belmont, Gastonia, North Carolina. I'm riding around in here. Boy, I don't see no tornado. They kept saying it's a tornado over here. You don't see nobody running, do you? I don't see nobody. Hey, we're gonna go down the highway. I don't see shit. But riding in here, we're gonna see how stupid people are on 85. Gonna see how stupid they are on 85. They know there's a tornado advisory said it's out here in Gastonia and Belmont going towards the airport, and we're right down the road from it, so what we're looking for, a damn tornado. Supposed to cross 85, so I'm gonna check it out. I don't see shit. Do y'all see shit? I don't see shit. Getting ready to hit these damn stupid motherfuckers on 85. The ones who call themselves, oh, we're the outsiders and we come and tell you what to do. Cause we're from Florida, we're from California, and we're from damn New York and Chicago. We come because we can't whoop them illegals. That's why we're down here in Charlotte. We're driving around all over the place. Because everybody that's out here when it's stormy are usually the 95% of the people who not grew up around here. Let's check them out. On 85, looking for a tornado in Gastonia, Belmont. Ain't too far from Kings Mountain. Yeah, Kings Mountain, pretty cool. I don't see nobody out here riding around. I was told this boy down the highway. Come down the damn woods real quick. Damn. Man, it looks pretty fucking bad out here, man. I'm shaking in my fucking boots, y'all. Y'all see me shaking, don't you? Yeah, I'm really shaking in my fucking boots. I see those damn motherfuckers. I see these outsiders. Oh shit, we're in here in Gastonia, Belmont area. Riding down the storm, seeing how crazy these people are. They're educated now. You gotta remember, they're educated. I ain't seen none out here yet. Here. Far right. Man, we get the hell out of here. High. Tornado gonna come get one of our ass. Man, if I can up on my ass. No turn signal, no lights, driving real close where everybody else has got lights on. Look at that big old airplane.